Tammy, back up with another video, but today it's a little different. I am doing my very first wig review, okay? With, guess who? Luvme Hair. I received my wig today in the mail, so I wanted to show my friends how I, put on my wigs. And this is my first time getting a wig from Luvme Hair. It came in this beautiful box with a nice little bow on here. So as I get in here, I'm going to tell you what they sent me. So let me open up the box and show you what I got. Oh, so they gave me a $20 gift card. $20, okay. And it says, what does it say here? Valid for 3 months. And it said something is in the, it says, they gave me like a little heart card, and it says, thanks for choosing Luvme Hair. Included in this envelope is a beautiful designed $20 gift card. It can be given to your friend or families as a present. Help them taste beauty now. Can't use by yourself. Valid for 1 month. So I guess I can't use it for myself, but I can give this gift card to somebody, a friend or someone. And in here also, it has like a little note here, and it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. How nice. Okay, and also I got some little goodies here in the bag. Have some goodies. So let me tell you what's in here. So we have, I have some eyelashes, but I don't think I would wear these. They're really long lashes. Probably give them to my daughter-in-law or someone. They gave me some earrings, some nice little goodies in here. It's like some, what is this? Nails. And I have I guess this is a headband. And what else do I have here? Oh, and this is, what is this? I don't know, maybe it's a pendant or something. Let me open it up. Picture, I don't know, but got that. And they also gave me a, I think this is a band for the wig. Came in this. We can clamp the wig to lay it down. And I also got a comb. And what else in here? Oh, and then they give you some information about the hair, refunds, how you take care of the hair. Okay, so that's that. And it comes in this bag. So wig. So I bought the kinky curly wig, and I'm going to color it because sometimes, I don't know, dark hair. This is the wig. It's really soft. Oh my goodness, you guys. Very, very soft. So now I am going to try on the wig, and we're going to go from there. Look at that lace. You guys, look at the lace. This is like really cool. Look at that lace. And it's how clear that lace is. Look at that. Really good. The hair, it's already plucked. It's already pre-plucked. So it comes with the adjustables. You have, let me show you inside. You have you have 3 combs inside of the wig. 1, 2, 3. I put the belt here. And then there's a comb in the back. Okay, put it on here. And I didn't put on a wig cap, so I really wanted to just, ooh, it's nice and snug too. And I mean, you guys, it is snooged, snug, snug, snug. Really good. This is a 14-inch, so nice and snug, you see? So now I'm gonna cut the lace off, but I just want you guys to see how it's laying there. Look at that. Just look here. Put it there. Okay. I mean, look at that lace. Pow! Look at that. All right, look at it. Boom. Oh, the hair feels so, so, so good. And it's nice and snug. You can't even tell. You can't even tell I have lace on, all right? Just try to see where I want it to lay on my head. I don't want it to be like, where does my hairline start? So my hairline starts right there. And the way I'm going to cut this is I wanted to push the hair out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to cut it right there. I like to do it like this in threes when I'm cutting my lace. So I'm going to cut here. All right. Take this and cut here. Makes it easier to cut the lace when you do it this way. So, all right, I got a clip here. Clip it so I can get it right here on the side of my ear. That part right there. Okay, that's on that side. Place it back. Okay, got it laid down there. Here, and I gotta, shoot, this lace is so clear. I forgot I didn't cut right here. So this is the easiest part right here. Okay, so you can't even tell. Look at that. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to wet it. And this is just conditioner and water. Get it all wet here. It's to be expected because it's a curly wig, and normally when you wear a curly wig, see, as I'm wetting it, I'm getting a lot of body. It's this in here. We'll do this side. And put some like in the back here. And of course, you know, I'm not doing no baby hairs. I'm too old to to be trying to wear baby hairs, okay? But I just wanted you guys to see this curl pattern. Look at this. When I brushed it down, just look at this, how it curls at the bottom. Look at that. And it just curls, poofed up. But look at that, how it curled it. And brush it down in the back. The curl pattern. Look at the curl pattern, y'all. It's too much. Okay, so I like it. And let me turn around so you can see it in the back. Turn around in the back. I love it. This like really looks like it's my natural hair color back in that day. Wow, look at that. So you guys, this is the look. And all I did was put water and the coconut, the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oil in it, which smells absolutely amazing. And put it on the wig. And so I'll come back with my final review on this wig. Okay, everybody, my final review on this wig is I just wanted to let you guys know I did have some shedding on the wig. I like it. I really do. I love the wig. It's hair or whatever. But other than that, the hair is pretty, it's nice, and it's soft. And this wig actually looks like it's my natural color of my hair from when I was, you know, younger, in my younger days. It's like a natural black, but I do want to color the wig. So I got on and I wanted you guys just to see how it looks. I purchased it from Luvme Hair, and hey, it looks, it's nice. This wig review is not sponsored. My family, my kids, everybody want me to wear my own hair, which is fine to do every now and then, but I also like to change up. So thank you everybody for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye. Yeah.